Ka MLA kan thai baningkong ka rilum jantia ka kong Santa Mary Shala kalatak renting ya kinong tre ka National Highway Authority of India NHAI namar ka jinsnew shabapalat liam jong ka surokba National Highway 6. Kakong Santa kalabatha banshna mardor ya ka surok ka baladap badap de kitliu kisar nadu nalum shnong shadu shamalidor. Kakong Santa kapadai kanong mi khamat ka sutengah saipung kala jurep ya kani ka surok ha ka khandai trik uni ubanai ha ka jinga don lang ki officer na DC office cleariat bat ki engineer ka NHAI. Kakong Santa kala maham ba kinong tre ka NHAI kidai banle wud ya kani ka surok ban pensuk ya kalit kawan upaj ba lem kumta kanra ya kani ka jing upaj ba syakibor bahalor ka NHAI. Hakani gajuk kasngi, kakong Santa kala jurep ru ya ki arteli ki PHC kalum shnong bat kiang PHC. Kala kular ban penbiang ya ki jingdan kam kini ki jaka sumar kamtam hakabaya day bat ki jingte.
Tekam ni duk kumpra duk to ale umi ha kamra tak kam go na kam dia. So now for installation of this machine and all they have to break it down all over again.
Why the same has not been communicated to us?
Actually,
initially for the road upgradation, right?
See and all, and that day actually he didn't stay also that day. He left that day for Shillong.
And what was told to me on Friday, last Friday, was that it will hardly take 4 days for the entire installation and maintenance operation. Right, so Thursday is already passed. Sorry?